What's up, everyone? Today's WineText is the 2014 Gard Late Harvest Riesling. So right off the bat, I'm going to let you guys know this is a half bottle. So it is going to be a 375 milliliter. I find that the best dessert wines are actually in smaller bottles just because most of the time I usually don't drink more than 1 or 2 glasses of it unless I'm sharing it with a lot of friends. So this is actually a really cool wine coming from Washington. Washington is actually really well known for their Rieslings, but I would say 9 times out of 10 they're made on the dry side. This is made as like a super classic German wine, which is stylistically more close to an Auslese or a beer Auslese. And what does that mean? That it's a late harvest. So these Riesling grapes actually stay on the vines for an extended period of time, and they actually pick them as an ice wine. So once they are cold on the vine, they pull them off late. And what happens is the juices themselves are extremely concentrated and insanely sweet. So when fermentation happens, they actually limit the fermentation. They hold it back to allow that residual sugar to be left over in the wine, which leaves for a really lush, fruit-forward style wine. Really classic aspects of, really heavy stone fruit. You're going to get a lot of apricot, a lot of the kind of ripe peach, along with a lot of tropical fruits, a lot of mango, pineapple, things of that nature. It's completely done in non-influence of oak, so you're not going to get a lot of that vanilla richness. It's going to be super clean. Always remember that the natural acidity in Riesling makes it still crisp, even though the wine is pretty heavy. The acidity just makes it really easy to drink, and it can age a really long time. This is already going on 6 years, but I can expect this to age the next 10, 15 years without trying. Really cool wine, super delicious. Something you can buy a couple of and enjoy now kind of slowly as the years go on. Enjoy.